Amazon must-haves, Amazon gardening products. Coming up next. Hi friends, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Shopping, and on today's Amazon finds, we have your Amazon must-haves for your garden. I've got you covered, sweet friends, for all of your gardening needs. Let's go ahead and dive in for all of our products. I will list them down below in the description. That way you can have all of your full Amazon shopping done for you. You can just click literally on those affiliate links and take you right over to Amazon to check out with them. First up, I've got some new gardening gloves. These gardening gloves are fabulous from pine trees. I used them literally to do my rose bushes a couple of weeks ago. They have on one side this latexy material, but on the top part it has this awesome is bamboo. It helps to keep your hands cooler while you're using them, and you can get them small, medium, regular, large, like depending on the size. You can get different ones. These are frequently on sale on Amazon. I am on Amazon deals of the day. Most time if you go over there, you can see this mug over there on the deals of the day page. Come over and say, I saw you, Countess of Shopping, from YouTube, but you can see those daily deal shows on Amazon. I'll link those also down below in the description. So next up we've got for our Amazon gardening products, our Amazon must-haves for your garden is I've got a ton of different lights that you can use that are the solar garden light ones. Here's the first up. You can put these in your garden. It's got the solar panels on this side and then the lights on the other side. It comes with the stakes that you just put into your garden. That is one that you can use, or you can get these awesome ones too. We just ordered these from Signature Garden. I like their stuff, by the way. They have really high quality items, but the tops on these are neat. You can get them in black. I opted to get mine in the brushed silver color. You can also get them in a copper color. That is where the solar panels are. You just take off the plastic and then attach the stakes on here too. These are really nice for walkways, illuminating your garden, or if you just want to have some space, like some night lights going on to add your rose bushes look pretty with the twinkling lights in there. That is another awesome gardening option for you that I highly recommend. Up next, I've got for you guys we've got a couple of different options, but I've got for you guys a sprinkler system. This sprinkler system from Signature Garden, it has on there the weighted sprinkler, and it's got 4 different sprays times 3, so like one of those awesome sprinklers, but it's heavier. On this back part, you can feel the metal on them. These, if it's windy, I don't know, in your area, we live in a very windy area here in Virginia. This is awesome to be able to use, and then you just attach your hose to it for your watering needs. That is one sprinkler option. I will list several down in the description link below, but this is an awesome Amazon must-have for your garden. Speaking of must-have for your garden, I'm here on my Amazon live set, which is why I'm bebopping around. We've got our Flexi Hose is up next. If you don't know Flexi Hose, this is one of my favorite Amazon outdoor products, is Flexi Hose. Because it gets to be 3 times the size of this when it's filled with water. It has that brass fitting, so it's not gonna leak. We've used these, I've ordered other hoses and they've leaked. Not Flexi Hose, it's one of the reasons why I like them. You can get them in 25 feet, 50 feet, 100 feet, 125 feet. Has 3 times the expansion. Won't leak because of that brass nozzle, but they also all include with them too, and one of the reasons why I like them is this free spray is also included. Highly recommend if you were looking for an awesome product to help you with your gardening needs. That 8 spray nozzle is sensational. It's just like this one. You can buy this one separately, by the way, but it's like the heavy duty fireman's nozzle to go with it. 8 different patterns for spray on there, including cone, mist, and it has the ergonomic design. If you have thumb issues, it's easy to pull the trigger forward as opposed to on the top. So you just pull it forward this way. It has great for pet showering. We did it recently. Our dog, Mr. Freddie, we gave him a bath. This was nice. And then with your watering plants, my little boy was able to do like sprinkler, and then you can wash the car with this one too. Now this comes free in the Flexi Hose, or you can buy it separately. By itself, I'll link the 2 separately if you already have a hose. This one is awesome for the garden as well, for your plants, to make sure that you're spraying them. It's a really, really easy way to take care of them. Okay, next up I've got the Flexi Hose. It's the 17-piece oscillating sprinkler. This one is amazing if you have kids who want to run through the lawn. But also if you just want it to go back and forth in terms of watering your grass, if you just put down seed. This Amazon outdoor product is definitely an Amazon must-have and one of my Amazon favorites because I've used it for so many different things, watering my outside our vegetables, my kid running through it, helping with grass, mainly helping with the grass component too. Highly recommend, and the price on this one is right. It has almost 3,000 square feet with it too. Really, really good price with that one as well. Highly recommend. Go ahead and check that one out. Okay, up next we've got for you, there's some water in that one. Got a little water in the studio. I've got this one too. It's one of our pressure sprayers as well. I'm going to link this one down below. You can go ahead and put in there, you just pump it and then you can spray through. It's 2 liters that is included. So if you're going to be spraying items, it does have that measuring, it may not show up on camera. It says 2,000 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters. It's got the different measurements on the side as well. If you do need 4.5 pints, if you do need the pressure spray, that is a great one to get. Up next also for our garden is seeds. I've got the coolest seeds from Open Seed Vault. If you are not familiar with Open Seed Vault, I want to implore you, check them out. They just released their new herb package and wildflowers. I have those on order. I want them. But these seeds we use for survival. It's in our survival kit, like our emergency kit. And then 2, just for gardening needs, it comes with all of these seed packets. So you can grow watermelon, kale, broccoli, celery, arugula, turnips, lettuce, leaves. Like, it's got a ton of different stuff in there. Carrots, peppers, tomatoes. It's got a ton of different seeds, so you can grow these from home. That is a great option. And then I also have for you a grow light. Where is my grow light? I have for you a grow light. I'm trying to find, I will link the grow light down below. That is a really, really popular option for indoor growing. When you have the seeds, you can grow those in your house. That is a great option. Up next, oh, here it is. Here's the grow light. It's the SnapFresh grow light. This one is awesome, by the way. Really, really awesome. Great price point on that too. Okay, up next I've got for you guys is our leaf blower. This one is fabulous from SnapFresh. I've got the 2AH battery or 4AH battery, and then a third option actually has a vacuum/bag. This one has on there, it goes up to 130 miles per hour. It has on here, it weighs less than 3 pounds, so you can literally hold it with one hand. If you need to blow leaves, snow blow, or in your garden beds, you just want to blow stuff out of it if it gets tangled, like leaves and just fall stuff, or for spring cleanup. This is an awesome option from SnapFresh. Love those. Okay, I have up next this awesome gardening kneeler. You can use it one of 2 ways. They do have a bundle going on. By the way, I've got a ton of Amazon discounts. If you haven't seen my Amazon promo codes or my Amazon coupon shows, check those out down below. But on the Amazon Daily Deals of the Day page, I've got a bundle for this one. You can use it this way to like hold flowers on top of, or you can flip it this way to use for kneeling. You would literally put your knees right here. It does come with this awesome piece to put your tools in, and you can use it one of 2 ways. It does bend like a little table, and then it collapses together, which is really, really a nice option. You can get the bundle with that. That also does have this awesome gloves for digging. They look kind of crazy, but you can scoop with these too as another option, and they've got that nice fabric on there. That fabric is like a rubbery feeling to help dig and things like that. There's with claws and without claws. If you're wanting some claws, those are another great Amazon must-have and Amazon favorites. And the next one for gardening we have is for aeration for your lawn. So it comes with these stakes that are separately. You just put them together. They come with the bolts on the back. Then you just attach this to your shoe, and literally it's got the little belts. You just put your shoe through it, and then you can do aeration. This one's awesome for Amazon lawn and garden products. Highly recommend. Really, really good price with that one too. Here's that other Flexi hose, the Fireman spray nozzle. This one's higher up because you can pull it down from the top as opposed to squeezing the trigger. So if you have more of arthritis, you can pull it down more easily like this to be able to spray it. And then it has the heavy pressure wash in there too. Pressure resistant zinc alloy inside. It fits in for most gardening hoses. I do love Flexi Hose. I love their products. They are awesome. Next Amazon outdoor gardening product that we have is this fun wand. Love this option. It is the gardening wand. It's so cool. It has on here, look how fun this is. You just attach it to your gardening hose, but then this part you can make it go up or down. You can do it this way. It's got on here soaker, shower, flat, bucket filler, rinse. Like you can do so much stuff. You can wash your car, you can wash your pets with it, you can do your plants easily. I love putting these in our little plant pots or pot plants because I can just go like this and then squeeze the little trigger down here. There's the little trigger part. And then you can have that preset on there too, which is really nice. You just flip that over and then it will just spray on its own. It is the coolest wand. Highly, highly, highly recommend. It's brand new. I am completely obsessed with it. It is a must-have, Amazon must-have, and one of my Amazon favorites for your outdoor gardening needs. Now I have up next another set of, oh, these were the lights I was talking about. They do come, by the way, in 4-packs or 8-packs. Really, really good sale price on those too. So, and then the last items that I had, oh, these were for indoor, but they're still, you can use them, they have indoor and outdoor ones from Miracle-Gro. I will link those down below. We have for your plant food spikes also are included. And then I do also have from Amazon, they have amazing 2 things, mulch. Yes, you can buy mulch from Amazon. Last year, it totally sold out. So just FYI, if you want to get mulch, get it soon because it probably will sell out. I will link that down in the description link below. And then number 2 is there's also Miracle-Gro fertilizer for outdoors. I will link that one also below too for your Amazon must-haves for gardening. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you click like so then that way the YouTube algorithm knows to keep showing you more videos here. And if you end up getting any of these products, let me know in the comments. I want to know. And definitely if you want to check out my Amazon live daily deal show, it's most days before 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check that out down below and you can comment, say, hey, I saw you on YouTube. So then that way I know that you came from the Countess of Shopping community. I'm Countess of Shopping and it is my pleasure to take care of you today. Let me know for our next video what you want to see on Amazon down in the comments below. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. I'm Countess of Shopping. Count my blessings because life is delicious. We'll see you next time. Bye, friends.